Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Guys, am I the only one that can see ukuthi when it comes to the whole Married at First Sight show, Sebenzile and Bitepo have already made their decision? Like, these two are just gelling, like these two are just moving. These two understood the assignment. This is what we are here for. We are here to know each other, to learn about each other, and for us to do that, we must give each other space to talk and space to breathe. Like, and what I like about the two is that even the girl, right, she does not go and badmouth guy emovers as if she's being bullied to say something. Excuse me. You can see ukuthi how she reacts vele uziphatha kanjalo, like uyithwere byawo vele asintwe mpya. But I just want to say ukuthi, can we just give them their flowers for the good communication skills that they have? Ne? I know every couple cracks. I know every person cracks. I know ukuthi there are fights. No one is perfect. But I love that they listen to each other. Yo, something that most of us fail to. Because tinabanye we listen to respond. Utheni, now I'm responding, coming with a better comeback. But these two have mastered ukuthi allow me to speak, listen to me properly, and then let us digest the whole thing. And I like ukuthi when Usebenzile said ukuthi we went through the questions and we rehearsed them. We just did not come into this blindsided. We knew that we were going to be asked uncomfortable questions, and we were well prepared. Yo guys, Ubitepo is led. This girl is led, and this guy is the head of the house that he thinks he is. No one can tell me otherwise. Like, share, subscribe.